Okay, for our last question. One last calculation question, and we're going to be using equilibrium, which means ice tables. So 100 milliliter buffer solution of 0.175 molar in HClO and 0.15 molar in NaClO. What is the pH after the addition of 150 milligrams of HBr? So first we want to determine the moles of HBr, and that will give us the moles of H plus because of its dissolution. And so it would be 150 milligrams times 1 gram per 1,000 milligrams times the molar mass, over the molar mass, which is times 1 over the molar mass. Let's just erase this line. And that's going to be 80.91 grams. And this gives us a final answer of 1.854 times 10 to the negative 3 moles. Because the ratio is 1 to 1 to 1, we have the same amount of moles of H plus. And then next up we're going to use an ice table, but first we need to find out the initial concentrations of HClO and NaClO. So let's just note up here. Now you want to find the moles of HClO. And this would be equal to 0.175 molar times 100 milliliters. So times 1 liter per 1,000 milliliters, and this is going to give us 0.0175 mole. NaClO is going to look similar, 0.15 molar times 100 milliliters by 1 liter over 1,000 milliliters. And this is going to give us 0.015 mole. So next up, we're going to build our ice table, which is going to help us determine the concentrations at equilibrium. We have 1.854 times 10 to the negative 3, 0.015 0.0175. You're going to use the least one in order to determine the change. So this is going to be minus 1.854 by 10 to the negative 3, minus 1.854 by 10 to the negative 3, which means that at equilibrium, we're going to have 0 of this, 0.013146, and 0.019454. Okay, and then now we're going to use the Henderson-Hasselbalch back equation in order to find the pH, and we need to note down that the pKa of HClO is equal to 7.54. And the equation states that pH is equal to pKa plus log A minus over HA. So we're going to use these two, of course. And this is going to give us 7.37. And that is your final answer. Okay, and that concludes today's session. I hope you enjoyed the content that I had for you today. If you need any extra help, be sure to check out the links in the description and the OneClass page itself. This is Marlon from OneClass. Hope to see you next time.